Hey, I'm Dwayne Morris, the Urban Soul Chef, and I'm welcoming you to my kitchen today. Throwing together this video, it's a quick video. I don't have lights, I don't have a microphone, just using a simple iPhone 7 Plus. But I wanted to share this video with you today to show you how to make country patty sausages, pork sausage that is. So, I don't know about you, but I like sausage. I love good sausage, and I love bacon. And I found out that there's a way to make sausage that's better than what you can go in the store and find. And not only that, but it's cheaper, and also you can control the flavor, and you can make it organic, natural, and have all the preservatives not in the sausage, and they're a lot healthier for you, I believe, as well. So, and they're healthier because you can control the salt content as well. But stay tuned, and let's make some sausage. All right, what I'm gonna do is take the meat that I got from my ribs and grind it up in this grinder. Now you can use a KitchenAid grinder or any type meat grinder to grind your meat. And you can also use other parts of the pork, such as the shoulder or the pig neck. Cut it down, put it in your grinder and grind it. All right, grind it. Little arm to it. Okay, my goodness. I would not recommend using one of these. That was work, real work. So the next time I do it, I'm gonna use that KitchenAid. See right there, use that, and we'll be done in a couple of minutes. But that took a lot of arm work. But I got 1.5 pounds of ground pork. Half the job is done. So what we wanna do next is, and you can look in the list information below, and you can see the measurements for the recipe that I'm doing right now. But I pretty much know how to eyeball it with this amount. It's pretty much what you're gonna do is season it with the seasonings listed below. And once you get pretty good at this, you'll know what your taste requires. Almost kind of like putting together a meatloaf or hamburger. These fennel seeds are good. I like the flavor they give. And sometimes I like to add a little sage to it as well. Got some maple syrup. I don't want to open my new one here. This stuff is expensive. Come on, there we go. Ooh. Alrighty. And what you're gonna do next is mix all the ingredients together using your hand. Just mix them all together. Mix it till you feel that everything is spread throughout this loaf of pork. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button. I got some bacon. I'm excited about this bacon. I've been talking about it for a while. I've done it personally a couple of times, and I am quite impressed with making your own bacon. And it takes about 7 days for the pork to cure. So that's what's going on now. Mixed it up pretty good. Mix it up. Make sure that salt is spread throughout. And it's gonna stick to your hands unless you have gloves. And even if you have gloves, it's gonna stick just the same. You're still gonna have to wash your hands or either take the gloves off. So I like using my hands. Oh God, using my hands. You can smell the goodness of that pork sausage. This is about 2 pounds right here, actually. All right, it's mixed good. Everything's dispersed throughout that loaf of meat. So we'll be right back. Next, we're gonna put it through the taste test. All right, we're getting ready to cook a sample of it to see how the seasoning is in it. Go ahead and preheat your frying pan. I like for it to be hot when I put the patty in there that I'm gonna put in. Oh, that sounds good. Sear it in, and then flip it over to sear this in. So all we have to do now is just wait until it browns on both sides, and you can tell pretty much if you fried sausage before when it's ready. But we're letting it brown, and that's pretty much it. Simple recipe, simple technique, but like I told you, do not use the hand meat grinder. Get you a KitchenAid or use something else because it's going to take a little time when you use the hand grinder. So still letting it fry here. It's looking good. It's looking good. Turn this heat down a little bit. And as you can see, there's not much grease coming in the pan. A lot of times when you fry your sausage, you have a lot of grease coming out. See, when you make your own sausage, you control your fat content. But there's not much grease coming out of here. And those burn marks I got, like I said, I have the fire up a little bit high. But if you're making sausage gravy, that would be excellent. You don't have much grease, but you can put that flour in there. Make some good old sausage gravy. I'm gonna take it all around all the way through. Mmm. 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 That's delicious. That is delicious. As I told you, this is some meat that came from the ribs. It's not actually the ribs, but it's the outer parts of the rib. The extra meat is always there, and like I said, I don't like that. I like to trim my ribs, and I took the meat from the trimmed ribs and made country breakfast sausage. And you dig it, country breakfast sausage. And as I told you earlier in the video, you don't have to use the rib meat as I did, but you can use the picnic, the shoulder, any of that, and make sausage from it. All you have to do is grind it up and put your seasoning in, and I have seasoning in the details below. And this right here is lean. It's actually lean. There's not much fat in it. And if you look in the pan is a little burnt because I had the fire up hot, but look, there's no grease. No grease. Overlook that burntness, but there is no grease, which clogs up your arteries, raises your cholesterol level. You take control when you do the recipe. When you make your own food, you take control of your health as well. So I hope you would try this, and if you try it, come back and tell me that it worked. Come back and tell me that it tastes good, real good. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, subscribe today. Subscribe today and share this video. Let other people know you can make your own sausages. All you have to do is look at the recipe below, follow the details, and you will have some good country sausage. All right, talk to you guys later, and I'm so glad you tuned in to the Urban Soul Chef. God bless you, and we'll talk to you later.